You're so pussy like dog.
No man, don't do that, you know. Don't get to no trouble.
Let me not beat it.
Don't get to
You're so pussy like dog. No, make she get it. All the party and here where she come from. All the party and the Indian girl go ahead. That girl where she come from. The problem we are doing at home. Where he got the problem?
Jimbro, yo, that no Jimbro.
Fluffy, me not tell you no lie, no Fluffy. You know, say if you...
Please, Jim Brown. Come on, some drink, brother. Okay, Jim Brown.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, Jamaican TikTok celebrity Rosealee pulls up on her baby daddy run a one part. I save you where did I chill. You see what I'm saying? She had a banger in her arm. Or I should say, and people putting out the comment section where you think about Jake's trying for the big piece out board to defend himself. You know what I mean? As you know, this whole situation is sad because, you know, the kids are not back home yet. And, you know, they're still under investigation, especially Rosealee. You know what I mean? Whose mouth, you know, got, you know, the kids taken because she said she got tapped them up. I know we see her say she did tap up one neighbor when she did there one Airbnb. I know we see her with that banger in her arms when she come link her baby daddy. You know. So this is definitely not a good look. This say, as you know, tension has been rising since morning. Because, you know, I move out and, you know, I'm doing a walkthrough. You know, you let the people them know I've never damaged nothing, but it's the video did damage him because I show Rosealee nasty and use none of the TikTok money and fix up the place, you know. You see me, I say, so right now, them brethren, who was a witness to, you know, Rosealee and, you know, Marcy and all these people, you know, them entanglement is going to give detail description. So let's like and share the video from now. And let's proceed.
So I'm going to show you when she come out. You understand? Big up yourself, PMP, Sash, your name PMP, yeah, big up yourself, yeah. Yeah, man, Master deserve one dragon. I just buy her a special a while ago. And I tell them say special is on me tonight. Everybody drink a special. That out of my hard working pocket. You see me? Yeah. That's how we do things around here when they call real friends. Yeah, Master gonna cool on. She gonna cool on with a special and a rum, you understand? Go and chill. Yeah, she gonna easy back for round 2. Round 2 tonight. I'm sure about round 2 in the night, yeah. You can tell me that fuck. Oh, yeah, tell her. Yeah, but listen me. But now give nobody my cloth. This is my cloth. For all who been a diss me and a style me say I don't know them. And been a tell me say me chat too much and me for left out of them business. I been right here from day one. I true me not tell you no. And I been there and I tell Jakes no, done. I never influence him for liquor all when she come with big knife a while ago. Why you feel like when you hear me in a film live when me run go over there? Why you hear me run go in a live when me run go over there? Come see the knife. Some run go over there. Come see my friend in a trouble. Listen me, when she did it the first time and I load up on him, I never did it. I bust the lane. When I bust the lane and come across the road, I see she have big knife in her hand. So what I do? Run to my friend rescue. I see him take up. I'm a hold the board. I'm gonna tell him no. I'm me in the ear. I tell him no. I'm me in the ear and I live. I tell him no, bro, no, please, bro, no. Cause you see by the end of the day, I don't want him have him right and give it to a chat. It me want to try for sure no. I don't want him have him right and give it away. I do not want that. Because by the end of the day, she come with big alright. Alright, listen when Marcy attack. Jake's mother. Jake's mother name Marcy. Yeah, she have to protect herself. Yeah, she called police already. When the police them come and the police them hear she say in her neck, she want to stab him. They say now the police them just get up and go away. So in my mind me I say what the fuck I want to go on. No, listen, him down here and him take up him clothes them. He's not going, him never in the house. You understand? Him never in the house. Him they cross the road. You see me? She come cross the road. Him don't take out him clothes them and put them over my mother. So, me I wonder how come she reach cross the road when him dey on him phone not paying her any mind. No, she don't talk, you know, because guess what? She says she only hurt herself now. Because it's never him go with problem or she you come with it. You see me? So that's why me turn on my life to make uno sick for fool yourself and hear for fool yourself. You see it a while ago say it's not him the aggressor bro or she come with big knife want to stab up the man and me run go there. She know dog. Suppose she stab the man now. Suppose she stab him. What all I want would have say? You nah look upon that, you know. Nah look upon that. Chan. If you stab him a while ago. Cause she creep up back him. Him did see her come. A back him. She creep up from back him and when she open up her mouth him turn around and see she dead there. John, yo, man, tell you, no, brother. John, how come me if you tell lie? No right here some of them. Everybody they out here, you know, see people them out here, you know, see people them down there say, you know. How come if you tell lie? You know, say we have some real corrupted people. The chew on TikTok. We corrupted, you know. We corrupted, bad. All if you want the kids them passport, that no means you have to come with big knife. That no means say you have to come with big knife. So that means you have to come with big knife. John Star. John. If you want the kids them passport, that means you have to come with big knife. I want it. Buckler. John, I never know say. So why you have to come with war? Why you have to come with bloodshed? No. Chat, no. That is not the way how to do it. Not the way how that to do it. If you want something, you come ask for it. I will give it to you. You understand? Don't come with the irregular behavior and the mad mix-up. Don't come with that. Come ask me. You want this? Okay. What the reason why you want it? Okay. But you gotta come with knife for self-defense when I don't got nothing in my hand. Yo, Jaja. TikTok. I've been telling you say I love you, you know. I'm rate you know and respect you know. You see it, but I want you to talk to Rose. I talk to her and tell her say, leave the bag of bad behavior alone. Leave the bag of boogie thing alone. Leave that. You don't need to tell her to leave that because I want to sit down and watch her. I never him come with big knife. She come with big knife for a while. So no need to look on that and meds that. No, she don't talk. She don't talk. She don't talk. She gone in her house. She don't talk. Yeah, she had one knife in her hand. GX back turn. He's only rider. If me I read the comments them and it's not you alone a comment. And me have to reply back to people comment. Me have to reply back, bro. She come with knife, bro, and the man back turn. And the man here when she say, what the fuck do you batty man? Go over yourself. Afi, I went gone.
Yes, yeah. A long time ago.
You gone around the road?
Long time ago through the lane, someone.
Sir. Alright, chat. Yeah, man, so I'm glad to say him gone. You see me? I'm glad him gone. I'm glad him gone. Once him gone, him alright. I'm glad him gone. Once him gone, me good.
They just follow me.
In there on the road? Mila.
Danny.
Oh. Chat. Me I try for sure and say. I just try show and say in good. You see me? You want right. You understand? So by the end of the day, she come with foolishness. You see it, because look, you know. Remember what day when she did on her live and she cussed me like dog. You see me? I did it in front of your yard and you see me. And you don't get up and try to move disrespectful. You don't do it. You don't do it. I'm going to look on there something there. Me?
You know, in America, when you're out on bail, your lawyer tells you do not get locked up for the same thing that you get locked up for. You know what I mean? It wouldn't be a good look, and these people that have open cases and doing the same stuff that got the youth them taken away. So it's definitely not a good look. So do the right thing, people, because we're giving them update when them come chat about it, you know. Right? So subscribe to the channel, you know what I mean? And turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.